What is the input and output methods used in Python? So to give output to the screen or to the user, Python uses print method. This method is used to give output, and to get data from the user or through screen we use method called input. Okay, so this is my method to get the data, get data from user. Now first I'll just comment it. Okay, now let's understand how to use the print method. So if we want to add, if we want to print hello world, let's see how we can do that. So all you need to do is inside the print function you have to pass your string hello world. Let's run this code. Yeah, hello world is getting printed. Now what I will do is I want to combine two strings, hello world. Instead of hello world I will combine two strings, that hello and the username. So how I can do is I'll create one username variable and here I will pass my name. Now I will print welcome plus I'll give username. This will print welcome Monica. Let's see. I will just execute this. You can see, okay, space is not included, so this is coming as a single string. Let me put some space. Now I will run this. We can see welcome Monica. So this is one print function. Now which is combining two strings. Now if I have a combination of string and the other data type, let's say number, how can we print it, or will it be get printed as simple as what we can see here? Let's do that. So I have the username and let's take age for that user. Age is equals to 30. Now can I just add this by doing the plus? I'll just print it as my name is, my name is username plus age, and age is plus age. If I do this, will it work? Let's see. I'll run it. Now it's giving an error that can only concatenate strings, not integer, because this is the string till from here to here, everything is string, but this age is an integer and we cannot concatenate it into this print. So how we can do that? So there is something called formatted string or f string. Let's understand this. Formatted string, formatted string or f string. Let's understand how this formatted string or f string works. So I will use as it is whatever my statement is, and before this I'll just put f. Okay, so f is to indicate that this is my formatted string, and then what we need to do is for f string we will be having this mark at the end. Okay, now for this age, because age is the parameter or a variable we are taking, all we need to do is use this curly braces. Same for the username. Okay, so now it will look like this. Print f, and inside my name is username I'm passing, and age is I'm passing the age. Now let's run this program again. See, now it is working. It is printing as expected. My name is Monica and age is 30. So this print statement is called a formatted print statement, where we are combining strings and integers, everything together. We can put any data type over here. So this everything is about the print statement. Now let's check how the input works. Right now what we are doing is this username and age we are passing as a constant, or we are passing it in the screen itself. So instead of that, if you want to get this data from user, how we can do it? Let's quickly check this. So how to get the username? I can just put here input method input, and I can say get the user please enter your name. So this will give me a name of that user, and that username I'm going to store inside the username. And then after this I'm gonna print double quote welcome plus I will add this username. So whenever any user runs this code, let me comment these old values and I will run it. So this is my code where username will be taken from user by using input functions. Please enter your name, and the same username I'm going to add into print statement, that welcome username. Let's run this code. See, please enter your name. I will type my name here. You can see welcome Monica in the screen. Now the next thing what we will do is that same thing, we will get the age as well from the user. Okay, so age is equal to, I will use same, I'm going to use same input function. Please provide age. Okay, I'm gonna ask please provide age. So whatever message you want to put for the user, that we have to add inside this input function. Okay, I will comment this print statement. So my code will be like this. I'm gonna take username using input method, I'm gonna take age using input method, and then I'm gonna print my name is this username and age is this age value. Now will it run? Let's see. Unmatched. Okay, we got it double here. Okay, let me run it now again. Okay, now it is asking please enter your name. I'll put some other name. I'll put Pooja. Please provide age. Let me pass 20. See, my name is Pooja and my age is 20. Okay, so this is working fine. So these are what we have, inputs and print method. One more thing is that let's identify whatever input we are taking, the input will always be in a string format. So here age is also having a string. Let's see, I'll print here. So to print, to understand what is the type of this variable, what is the data type of this variable, we can use one function which is called type function. So here we can use type to get the what is the type of this particular variables. So here I am doing print type age. That way we will get what is the data type for this age. Let me run this code. Now I'll pass some value here, John, and let me provide age as a 30. So here what we can see is for this age this data type is string, and this is the reason it is getting printed as well. Now let's understand, this age is my data type string, but I want it to be integer. How we can do? So by default all input method takes the data from user which will be in the string format. So all you need to do is add whichever format you want to do it. So if I want to make it as a int, I can add this as a int. and I can run it. Let's see. I'll provide age 20. See, now the class type is coming as an int. So if you want the data to be in the different format other than string, you have to just use those type and put the input method inside. Now one more thing we can see is that can we use input function inside the print function, or can we use input method inside the print method? Let's see. So here I'm gonna use print function. Inside that I'll put welcome and plus I will add input function. Enter your name. Okay, so when I run this program, it will work similar to what we had initially about the welcome screen. Let me run it. So first it is going to ask me enter your name. Now you can see welcome Monica is got printed here. So yes, you can use input method inside your print function as well. So this is all we have about the print and input methods. You can try it at your end and see.